Storm clouds forwarding us of a third world war are getting heavier by the day. There is no question that the world stands on the precipice of a great catastrophe.
Plunged into the midst of war, explosions and air raid sirens ringing out here in Kyiv.
As they've intensified aerial strikes and artillery.
Carried out large-scale strikes on Venezuela overnight.
গত 2 দশকের চেয়েও বেশি সময় ধরে হযরত মির্জা মাসরুর আহমদ এক বৈশ্বিক ধ্বংসযজ্ঞ করানোর লক্ষ্যে বিশ্ব নেতৃবৃন্দকে ন্যায় বিচার প্রতিষ্ঠার তাগিদ দিয়ে আসছেন।
The world is apparently rapidly advancing towards destruction because of the envy and hatred that its people have in their hearts. Economic and trade sanctions are imposed against those countries that do not follow or toe the line. We see that many small as well as large countries possess atom bombs.
বিভিন্ন পার্লামেন্ট ও বিশ্ব নেতৃবৃন্দের কাছেই সতর্কবাণী পৌঁছানো হয়েছিল।
In fact, we have seen that the veto power has on certain occasions been misused to help and assist in cruelty rather than to prevent it. The natural resources of any country should not be taken advantage of. The path the world is treading will culminate in a terrifying world war.
দীর্ঘ 2 দশক ধরে এসব সতর্কবাণীকে উপেক্ষা করা হয়েছে।
Though we have long preached this message, it seems to have fallen upon deaf ears. Having long warned of such a war, I take no satisfaction in the fact that we are moving ever closer to it.
পরিস্থিতির ক্রমশ আরও অবনতি হতে থাকে। এখন খ্রিস্টান ধর্মগুরু পোপ লিও নিজেও একই মর্মে সতর্ক করছেন।
In our time, the weakness of multilateralism is a particular cause for concern at the international level. A diplomacy that promotes dialogue and seeks consensus among all parties is being replaced by a diplomacy based on force by either individuals or groups of allies. War is back in vogue, and a zeal for war is spreading.
তার কথাগুলো হযরত মির্জা মাসরুর আহমদের কথারই প্রতিধ্বনি, যিনি পারমাণবিক যুদ্ধের ধ্বংসাত্মক পরিণতির বিষয়ে সতর্ক করেছিলেন।
Such efforts are required of everyone, starting with the countries that possess nuclear arsenals.
We should be under no illusion about the fact that if, God forbid, a nuclear weapon is ever used, it will strike the earth with such velocity and force that its toxic effects will be felt for decades to come.
বিগত বিশ্বযুদ্ধের 100 বছর না পেরোতেই আরও একটি বৈশ্বিক যুদ্ধের ধাক্কা পৃথিবী নিতে পারবে না।
We must all come together, setting aside national, political, and other vested interests for the greater good of humanity and to ensure that we leave behind a prosperous world for our future generations.